Welcome back. Now we'll be looking at variable in PHP. How do we use variable? Let us look at this short story. Let's say echo. We want to echo few lines. Let's say there lived a king. There lived a king named Kala. Okay, I say there lived a king named Kala. Then let's see on our screen. Okay, you can see that. Okay, let us echo another line. Echo he was 75 years old. Second line, then echo let's say he loved the name Kala. Then echo birds. Say birds. Okay, it doesn't. Okay, it didn't. Sorry. He didn't like being $75 years old. Okay, save. Then let's run this on our browser. Okay, as you can see, there lived a king named Kala. He was 75 years old. He loved the name Kala, but didn't like being 75 years old. Okay. Good. As you can see, we have the name twice on the page. This is the color. We have the color here as well. And this is 75. This is 75 as well. Now, let me quickly explain how we use variable. to declare a variable in PHP, we use dollar symbol, then you write the name of the variable. Let's say name equal to equal to, in parentheses, what's the name of the king, color, then you end the line, semicolon. Let us declare age again with dollar age equal to, then we use a double quote, then put okay. When you use number in PHP, you call this integer. There's no need of putting double quote, just write the number. Then this variable means a container. You know that there's a container that will store this name color inside. Then inside another container age, you say 75. Now to replace this, you can just remove this, then you put okay. Okay, then we don't need to put variable inside code, just declare the variable name, but to join string, this is called a string. To join string and variable together, you use dot for concatenation. Concatenate. Then when you run the page, you still have the same thing. You can see the color here. Okay, then let us replace this with 75. I did with variable age. So if you have the name in 100 places, to edit this, you have to retype you have to change the name in 100 places. Okay, let's change the age as well. Okay, now this shows that we are using our variable instead of the name and the age. There live a king named whatever the name is in this container. If the name is color, we have color here, then it was 75 years old. He lived in the, he loved the name color, but he didn't like being age, but he didn't like being 75 years old. So let us save and see how it's going to work on the browser. Can we see this? Now, assuming we want to change the name from color to, let's say, John. Okay, we change the name from color to John. Definitely when you run it, it means this John will appear here, then the John will also appear here. As you can see, you see color, then this is John. As you can see, the name has changed, then it has also changed here. So instead of we have this John, like if you have color like 50 or 100 times on the page, instead of changing them one after the other, you just have to go to your container, which is the variable, then you change it. So this can also be changed to 40. Save, then refresh. You can see that everything is changed. You can see that John has changed here, it also changed here, then the age changed here and also changed here. So if you have like 100 of them like that, once you change in the variable, everything will automatically update itself. So that is the importance of a variable. Variable is a container where you put things, so that anytime you want to make use of them, you don't need to repeat them again. You just call the variable. So it's as simple as this. When we go further on variables, you see we are going to learn about the data type and how we make use of them. Thank you.